Alright guys, welcome to another RDB episode. Hope you guys have been enjoying the last few episodes. I know I've been. We have 3 special cars on today's episode. One is a Ferrari F8 Spider that we installed a full exhaust system, and it is loud and mean.
That's it. Jesus Christ.
And then we also have a bad 2024 Range Rover with a full 1016 Industries wide body kit, complete body kit on it. This car actually was wrapped by another shop up north, Silicon Valley Customs, actually good friends of ours, and they did the kit as well. We basically color matched RDB 0 wheels for them, the front grille as well, and the emblem. So this is all paint color matched to the wrap. The car is actually wrapped, looks incredible, and now it has been paint matched with the body kit. We also have a Cybertruck for you guys. The Cybertruck is insane. This is the first one we've seen here, and it's a badass truck. It doesn't look real, so please check it out. Got a lot more for you guys. Alright guys, behind me we have another brand new Range Rover. This one, as you can see, has a really dope colorway. It is kind of mimicked after my Range Rover, the Satin Pearl White, but this is more of a satin charcoal color. It's hard to say, it's like a charcoal bronze color. Originally this car is white. So you went from a stock white Range Rover to this really special, unique looking color. And now, on top of it, we've got the full 1016 wide body kit on there. We have the custom painted front grille, emblems, and wheels to match the wrap. This is paint, like I said. This is wrap, this is paint, and it's truly ridiculous that it's 100% color match. This all looks one color right here. If it was even slightly off, it would look completely different. So that's all custom painted to match the wrap. So are the wheels. This is pretty much the widest stance you can get on the new Range Rovers without really cutting up the body and all that stuff. So you got all the flares, you got the front items on the front grille, the lower spoiler. You got the rocker panels down there. A lot of people don't realize on this car, the rocker panel is non-existent almost. So this adds a lot of depth to the sides of it. We're featuring, obviously, the RDB 0 wheels, 24-inch. My favorite wheels, honestly. This is the biggest trend right now. This is our most popular design. We have the Range Rover floating cap there. This was all painted in our paint booth to match this wrap color. So it's all the same color tone right there. Even the caps and everything, color match.
What's going on? Lewis thinks he's a professional bike rider. Look at this guy. You should just stick to bodywork.
I heard he could pop wheelies.
Definitely not. For sure you can.
Popping too many wheelies or what?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go?
I need an extra one. This one is large. I guess I go for extra large. That's really tight.
Doesn't look tight.
Hmm?
Doesn't look tight.
But it is.
That's what she said.
That's what you said. It's too tight, that's what you said. It's too loose, that's what he said. Car came in with a completely worn out steering wheel. It was all suede before. He wanted to make this part leather, which we did. Of course, with the famous holes in it. We did the middle top suede, bottom suede, and we have red stitching all around the steering wheel like he wanted, and also the red line here. So he's gonna be very happy. We're gonna install this thing right now, and this thing looks nice. He's gonna be very happy.
Why is it my fault?
Because you brought it.
Oh, what am I after, bro?
I don't ever think about that.
Ah! The bullet went the wrong way.
What the f, man? Ah! Oh!
The ones that are one by one, it hurts more.
Ah! Oh! Hey, he's hitting the same place every time. Like,
ow!
Hey, he hit my elbow 10 times already.
Nothing's even happening.
Really?
Nothing? No. Alright, we got the Ferrari F8 right here, and we are putting all the engine cover, all that stuff. You gotta take apart a lot of stuff on the back of this car. So you gotta know what you're doing. You have to have experience with these type of vehicles. There's a lot of sensors, a lot of clips. You can brake, stuff like that. But going back to normal, make sure the exhaust tips align, all that stuff, nothing's touching. And the next thing we're gonna do is take it out for a test drive. Inside the cabin of the Ferrari F8. This is a Spider, but we're not going to open the top. It's a little cold, and I'm not a big convertible guy. But we're driving the car around, just cruising right now. Third, fourth gear, less than 2,000 RPM. It's not bad in here. We could talk, obviously. We have a directional mic, so you should be able to hear the exhaust and me. But obviously, this exhaust system makes this car significantly funner to drive. You get more power. You could hear the turbos finally, because with stock cats and all that stuff, you cannot really hear the turbos. So now you hear the turbo whistling. Sounds amazing. And you actually hear the ferocious Ferrari sound. This is a V8 twin turbo car, obviously, and it's fast. People don't realize how fast the F8 is, but it's a very, very quick car, especially with a tune. It's frighteningly fast. So really happy with it. We've been doing exhaust system on these F8s forever. Feels like forever. But very quick one-day install as well, as you guys saw. So one day, boom, done. And that's it. So other than that, the customer had this car, the wheels powder coated somewhere, and unfortunately they put them on the wrong way. So in the video you might notice the wheels are directional, and they're actually on the wrong way, and you'll see that in the video probably. We didn't do that. That's an oversight by somebody else, and we're gonna probably have to go back to the shop and fix that. But other than that, this beautiful F8 is stock. So exhaust, tune, and powder coated black wheels. I love it when the roofs are painted on these cars body color. This one, it has the black option. Honestly, some people like that, but when it's all body color, it looks so much better. As you guys would recall, a few months ago, we had one of these in and we painted it red to match. So we do all that here at RDB. So exhaust, paint, whatever you want, hit us up. Here at RDB with High Standard Auto Detailing, also known as Clear My Valve. He is currently what are you doing? Ceramic coating?
Ceramic coating the paint because it's matte factory. I'll take over, Rick. Take it over.
Ceramic coating is fake, right? It's not real.
No, this is... Okay, really so work, though, right? What a ceramic coating is, it's just a wax or a sealer on steroids. So basically it does the same thing as wax and as a sealer, but the only difference is that it lasts longer and it's more durable. So your typical wax or sealant or stuff like that only lasts you like weeks after washes. With the ceramic coating, is more, it bonds better to the paint, and then it lasts longer.
So you sound like an auto details salesman.
I sell details, not products. But they are going to bring RDB products back, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah,
Fix on it.
And this is a matte factory paint job, so we're doing ceramic coating on top of that. You could do that, and water's going to deflect better. You know, easier car washes, that kind of stuff. But yeah, really, this is not going to protect you from rock chips and dents and stuff like that. That only PPF does. But this is really cool to do because you see a difference when it rains, especially. Car just stays cleaner. So.
Now, here's the Cybertruck. thing doesn't look real at all, man. Looks like it's a straight out of a video game or something. It's crazy. You ordered in 2019?
Yeah. Yeah,
So-
November 2019 is the original reservation,
Okay.
and then the actual order saying, yeah, I'll pay 100,000 for this ridiculous thing. That was in December.
Got it, got it. What made you buy it? Like, what would you just the way?
It's
look,
just
or you're a
ridiculous.
massive Elon fan?
Nothing like it. you
Yeah,
know?
no, definitely nothing.
It doesn't look real.
Yeah, it looks like it's straight out of a video game or something.
Yeah, I mean, I will only buy a Tesla because I feel every other OEM, every other manufacturer, they could have made electric cars. They could have done this. They could have done this decades ago,
Yeah.
and they didn't. You know?
They chose it, so that's why you're choosing them. Yeah, it makes sense.
Exactly. It's, you know, put your money where your mouth is, that kind of thing, or support the companies you want to support. So
Yes,
for
yes,
me, it's,
exactly.
you know, there's tens of thousands of engineers that are making the most ridiculously amazing vehicles.
Yeah.
So I'll put my money there.
When are we whitebodying this thing?
I'm not doing it.
I'm not?
I'm not doing it. I'm already a guinea pig with this thing just existing.
Got it,
But
yeah.
being a guinea pig of wrapping it,
A lot of people are looking at you when you drive, huh?
well, no, I'm just thinking, you know, is the stainless steel going to be affected by the moisture? Is the stainless steel going to be affected by the heat?
That's
Like,
something we gotta like give it some time to see if it,
Yeah,
if it is.
and-
But I don't see why. They probably have some type of protection on there. I don't
No.
think it's straight up.
Oh, there you go.
There's your
Yeah,
nail.
there. He's gonna spray some water and soap and see if it's leaking.
Coming out, yeah. I'll keep an eye on the app too to see what's
Yeah. Want to keep the nail?
Souvenir.
the first
Chain or something?
Cybertruck nail.
The first Cybertruck nail. There we go.
They didn't have to go on a tow bed, you know.
Ah, no,
give,
no.
give everyone the media that they want of yet another Cybertruck. on a
Oh,
tow
something's
bed.
wrong with it.
Oh,
Yeah. The battery failed. Like
No, it's
all
just a
these
tire.
rumors.
It's just a- yeah.
It's just a tire,
It's just a
guys.
tire.
Nothing's wrong with this car. It's in perfect shape. Cool about this with this trunk is it's very light.
Yeah.
Look how light it is. Try it. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, you would think it was like a heavy, but like nope. Just,
They did a good job for a truck. It's
They
crazy.
do that little soft close at the end.
Yeah.
yeah.
It's like when you know you're at a fancy apartment or house, you know. Yeah, so there it goes.
And then you open it with this button, correct?
Yeah.
A good trunk bed too.
Trunk space. Wow.
Very functional at least. Like it's.
Did you pick the interior color or anything, or this is just what?
That's just how it is, yeah.
That's how it is. But can you spec it the way you want it when you get it, or no? Nah, they don't give you option. Either you want it or you don't.
Yeah, they're like
Yeah. See, that's why I think they put some type of coating outside, because you see here, this is how it came probably original,
Right.
and they did put some type of coating on there to protect it, I think. So
Well, I've seen a bunch of people wrap it already. They have been wrapping them
Right.
like black and white. But I mean, this is probably. I would probably keep it this way too, to be honest.
yeah, he was just saying online they was talking about something about rust when you wrap it.
Maybe.
So I mean,
Maybe.
let's let other people try it, and then let us know so we can wrap his
We could do a chrome Cybertruck.
later. Let's see what
steel,
happens.
stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Stainless steel. I keep saying. By the way, this is stainless steel. I keep saying aluminum. It's just weird for me to say stainless steel car. Oh, awesome. So you're good. That'll be $4,877. It's just 12 easy payments of $349.
Yeah?
You'll be fine. No, you're good.
I'm in.
Thank you for coming by, man. All right, so we took care of the tire situation. The good part was that it didn't go all the way in. It was just a little nail on top of it. We pulled it out for him, and it is coming back for a clear bra. He just wants to enjoy it a little bit, enjoy the car a little bit. And it should be back here in about a month or two. We're gonna do a full clear bra detail, and yeah, I mean, he's our guy now.
Michael Jordan's BMW, Moses.
Oof. Would you lick
And it's a 6-speed manual.
Moses will lick the seats.
For sale?
Yeah.
Moses will lick the seats.
That car. How much is that car worth now? Just because he's.
It
driven?
sold for 108 grand.
Oh,
It just
That's
sold.
it.
108.
It's only got 30,000 miles on it too.
Now that's something smart to buy.